Hey, young professional, come on into the room. Don't be shy. And take a seat as I take a sip, because I'm about to spill the tea about law, financial literacy, estate planning, and a little tax savings and strategy. I know your time is valuable, but wait, just give me a few minutes. I'm going to get right to the point. Now, listen, did you know that of the number of American millionaires, two-thirds were actually self made? This means that they did not get their wealth through some inheritance from their parents or not even from their grandparents. Chances are that their parents and grandparents did not even teach them good basic money habits. So, what did these millionaires do to get this wealth? I'll tell you what they did. They gathered their wealth through controlling their spending, regular investing, and through entrepreneurship. You know me. Hey, just in case you don't, I'm Takita Hogan-Claiborne. I'm an attorney, legal instructor, financial consultant, entrepreneur, tax strategist, and the founder of law office of TMHC. My goal is to get my GWB students started with investing. Yes, to actually get you started and to create an investment portfolio. When I say portfolio, I am talking about putting money into a 401k, Roth IRA, and other investment accounts. It will be made simple through automation. Why automation? Because by now, as a GWB student, you should have noticed how automation has helped you pay your bills on time and has helped you to not to have to worry about it. Just set it and leave it. I didn't say it was going to be sexy and crazy. I said simple. You just take the time to choose how your money will be distributed in your portfolio, and then you're going to pick your investments and then finally automate it. So you can just chill and enjoy your life while growing your money. See, I told you, you will be stacking it high and still staying fly. Let's get this straight right now. Your ability to save and invest money has less to do with how much money you make than how you manage it. The road to prosperity can begin with just a few dollars if wisely leveraged. That's the present goal, but there is a future goal. Now, what is this future goal? I'm glad you asked. I would love for you to see your investments earn enough to fund your expenses. How? Automatically. Let's take it one step further. What if your investments could generate so much money that your money was actually producing more money than your salary? And just imagine, go ahead, close your eyes and dream build with me. And imagine that you had the opportunity to save your whole salary because the money from your investments paid all your bills. What I'm really saying is that I want you to get to the point where your money works harder than you do. Now, I'm not an investment expert, so I'm not going to be able to cover all things investment related. I simply just want to help you get to an easy start. There will not be a deep dive into the different categories of investments or even assets. Now, we cover some of these briefly in my course. So if you are a course member, be sure to go back and review that learning module. But my GWB students, I do provide them with an opportunity to speak with a financial professional. Who? My advisor, the actual financial advisor who has assisted my husband and I with our financial portfolio. I would like to see the same done for you. So be sure to grab your free gift in the information box below so you can be one of the first ones notified when our next course sections open for new members. Because it is in the course where we get into the investment step-by-step plan, where I will take you through 5 basic steps of investing. And you get a few bonus tips and tricks as well. Well, you know what? That's a wrap. Because that's all the tea I'm going to spill today. Let me remind you, this is a safe space. This is our SuSu Room where family, friends, and our associates gather and share ideas, and in this case, as well as food of thought. So every member that contributes get to take from, withdraw from the whole pot. So as I share information with you, I hope that you can take value from it and remember to contribute your part by simply clicking the like, share, and subscribe buttons. I want to thank you for joining me. The next time, I'm going to see you in the next video.